Hi, this is Nate Lindquist from Nate Lindquist Results TV. This is another episode for you that I'm putting out there that focuses on getting a fresh start. How does that apply to you? If I say, would you like to have a fresh start? Would you like to have a mulligan, a do-over? The good news is every day you decide that you can do that is an opportunity to start fresh, to have a do-over, to take everything you've created so far and look at the ingredients and the mistakes and the lessons, all the resources that you have around you, which are very valuable, and decide, what am I going to do with my life or my business now, today, in this moment? You get to let go of all the baggage and all the stress and all the pain, fear, doubt, overwhelm, all of those feelings that disempower you from getting the results that you desire in your life and your business now. So this is for Fresh Start Bootcamp. And what it is a video training session where at your own pace, in your own time, at a tremendous discount, because I want everyone to have access to this, you'll be able to just put your name and email address in. We'll send you the login information. You can make a very small investment, and we're going to take you through getting a fresh start where you'll be able to literally customize the experience for yourself. You'll be able to watch the videos, apply the lessons of Fresh Start Bootcamp, and literally create a change in your life that you most desire right now as if you're starting fresh. Now, what does it mean to get a fresh start? I want you to think of it this way. How's your health? How's your physical health? How about your emotional wellness? How about your spiritual connection to something that's greater than you? Do you give yourself space to have a connection to something that's working with you, that's bigger than yourself, to pull you along productively to a place where you know you want to be, where that you have that feeling, that power, where it's not all on you? What about financial or career or relationships or a sense of adventure and joy and enthusiasm and fulfillment in your life? Where do you need a fresh start? What is a fresh start? A fresh start is recognizing the roadblocks, the delays, the fears that you have that are holding you back from your ideal. And what I want you to picture is flying in a helicopter. All right, you've got all the tools and resources from this program, from Fresh Start Bootcamp, and you're going to take that helicopter right into the middle of your situation. And you're going to have one mission. You're going to pick one objective and one result. And you're going to come in totally tooled and prepared with this video training session to create the change that I know you want to create. It'll be a very small investment in money, but the biggest investment will be your commitment to creating what you want. The past doesn't equal the future. That's a great statement that I heard from one of my mentors, Tony Robbins. My message is to you, the wake is behind the boat. If you focus on the wake, the boat's not going to have the right direction, the right trajectory. If the wake is behind you, I'm going to tell you, if you focus on it, you're not driving the boat. The wake doesn't drive the boat. So fresh start means look ahead. Look at your ideal future. Why is it important to get a fresh start? Because while you're in the middle of your work, of your life, of your relationships, of the results that you've already created so far, you're benchmarking yourself. You're limiting yourself by what you think you're capable of. You need to start getting to a place where you ask the big questions. So if you say, I want to have better finances, that's all well and good. But what if you could be specific and you could say, I want to have $200,000 a year income within the next 6 months. I want to already know that that's on its way. So my monthly income will be sufficient to create that personal income by the end of the year. And then you set about creating an action plan to specifically get a fresh start with your finances, to make different decisions about how you spend your money, the kind of work that you do, the value that you create in your life or your business, and the kind of value that you're able to bring into your life, attract into your life because of where you're focusing your time, your energy, and your resources. If you want to have a better relationship, then you learn at this point that whatever you've done so far has gotten you to where you are. So you're going to take an inventory of the strategy that you've used to create the relationships that you have. If you want a more intimate relationship, there's a strategy to create that. If the strategy that you're using is getting you here, in this workshop, in this Fresh Start Bootcamp, you'll be able to identify and model some of the very most successful and powerful strategies that others have used in their lives to create the ultimate relationship, where they bring ultimate truth and clarity and action and understanding and communication to their life and to their relationships in a way they start to create growth that's fresh, that's new, planting new seeds, getting the rocks out of your garden and making room for those seeds to sprout and grow. That's what a clean slate is. That's what a fresh start is. So you got to start asking great questions. My question to you is, if you could get into a training where you started to condition how you move, your beliefs, your physical muscles and your mental muscles, your ability to start fresh, to look at a different place where you would like to be and get real honest about where you are right now, then what are you waiting for? I have a question for you. What's going to happen if you don't get a fresh start? What if you decide to take all the baggage and all the weight and pressure and overwhelm and fear that you feel about the area of your life that isn't getting you the results that you want, and you take that into today, and you take that into today's experience? You take it into creating today's results. Are you blaming yourself for not performing? Are you putting yourself into a state of mind that says, I'm not good enough, I'm not the right age, I'm not strong enough, I don't have enough knowledge or experience, I can't get out of this rut? I don't know how to create something new, to give something better, to be something stronger, to be more consistent, to care more, to love more, to live more. The consequences for you are something only you know right now. But if you don't get a fresh start right now, if you don't choose to create that fresh start, who's going to do it for you? Who's going to give you the chance to create total clarity by taking new action today? When you take action to get a result in an area where you haven't before, you eliminate fear, no matter how scary it is to start. Once you start, you get freedom. You get a sense of empowerment and a sense of adventure that you wouldn't have in any other way. You deserve that. Give yourself that gift. What I want you to do is go back to NateLindquist.com. On the right side of the page, click on the Fresh Start Bootcamp. Put your name and email address in, and we'll send you all the information that you need to know to start making this change. Start getting the fresh start in your life where it matters the most. If you want to be more healthy, more energized, build a better relationship, have a stronger connection to the meaning in your life, to create a legacy that will make you proud, the way you make your mark in this world, to be more valuable and giving and loving to the people around you, then just go put your name and email address in. We'll send you out the information and you'll be able to get started right now. I'm honored to be able to share this message with you, and I'm here to tell you, you have my permission, but give yourself the permission to get a fresh start. I'll see you on the other side. So what's great about hearing a new idea, especially like the ideas that I just shared in this video, is if you could find one idea and take action on it, you'll actually start to see a change in your life, an improvement in your business, or whatever it is that you're trying to get better results in. And so one of the things you can do right now that you've watched my video, is go to NateLindquist.com and just click on the contact page, fill out the form, or if you're on the home page, just click right there. It says, I want the ideal life and business. Just click on it, fill out the form, and you'll get an application sent to you for a free strategy session. I'd love you to be able to do that, and I want to give you a heads up. We're only going to work with people who are a match, who are really in a position to take their life to the next level. We'll absolutely be glad to send you our content, and if you register for Nate Lindquist Results TV on the site, just, that form's on the top of the site and it's also on the bottom. We'll send you great content. But when you fill out that application and send it back to us on the site for your free strategy session, we're going to take the time to review it, and we'll have a conversation with you to make sure that you're a match, to make sure we can get you the same results we've gotten for everybody else. That's what it's all about. How may I serve? Thanks a lot. This is Nate Lindquist, and I'll talk to you soon.